What you doing?
I'm hungry.
So did you find anything?
We have potato and onion pierogies.
No.
You don't like pierogi?
I don't like pierogi. I never had like pierogies.
Fruit pies. I think they're old.
I don't want those in.
Beef pot roast, blueberries, Eggo waffles, ice cream.
No, it's all too healthy. What with that?
This?
Yeah.
Cool it?
Yeah, cool it.
I don't know. I think it's new.
It doesn't matter if it's new. It's great. You can have a cool adventure. Listen, it's cold. It's whipped. There's a strawberry on the cover.
There is a strawberry.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
Okay.
Dude, I want to get something too.
Napkins? Too much.
Sorry, I got carried away.
One thing.
Whoa. Who puts it in first? I guess it was my idea.
Well, I mean, it's my Cool Whip.
But I mean, you didn't even think about it till I said it. It's me. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna break the seal. Why?
It's my Cool Whip. Your face.
You okay? Okay, you can do this for